Now, I said that your system already trusts some CAs, some certificate authorities. And how do they trust them? How do you know which ones you actually trust? Well, if you go into your browser, whatever browser you're using, and go and look in the certificates portion, and it'll say actually, certificates, and you can look at what's in there. And you already, if you just get an operating system out of the box, you already have a whole bunch of certificate authorities listed there that your system automatically trusts. Now, and that would be, definitely if it's a Microsoft operating system, you're going to trust Microsoft. And some environments that require high security and they don't want their users' system just to trust all these certificate authorities, will actually strip all those that are in there by default and put the certificate authority in there that they want their users to trust. So if it's a higher, it's an environment which requires a little bit higher security, and they have their own internal PKI, or they only want you to trust your system to trust one CA, they will take all the listing of the certificate authorities that are already put in the list of trusted that came with it and put the one that they want you to trust.